Let's bring it all together. 2.3. Kia ora anō e hoa. Welcome back. This is where the rubber hits the road. It's time to put everything that we've learned into practice. Are you ready? Here is what I want you to do. I want you to go and find that friend or that whānau member that you practiced with yesterday, and I want you to spend about 10 to 15 minutes teaching them the 2 sentences that we've just learned. Just to recap, ko wai koe and no hea koe. I want you to teach them how to ask and how to answer both of those questions. Once again, this is super important because when you can teach somebody else, that means you truly understand it. And that's when this stuff really starts to stick. So don't skip that step. After you've done that, you're going to go and do some role play. I know, I hate role play too. And you're probably thinking, there ain't no way I'm doing role play. That's way too embarrassing, but I promise you, you just have to. Suck it up. I'm putting my foot down, and I promise you, this is the only way you're going to learn this stuff, by actually doing it for real. So here is how the role play will go down. I want you to find a quiet room where nobody else can see you and nobody else can hear you or judge you. Then I want the both of you to go and stand on opposite sides of the room. I want you to walk together and meet somewhere in the middle of the room. Then I want you to pretend like you're meeting for the very first time. And I want you to take turns saying and responding to the following 3 sentences. Number 1, kia ora. Number 2, ko wai koe. And number 3, no hea koe. Take it slow the first time and really help each other out. Chances are it's going to feel a little bit awkward the first time. That's totally normal. So maybe just do a practice round and then aim for 2 or 3 more times after that, trying to make your conversation sound a little bit more natural each and every time. Look, you have to do this, e hoa. It's the only way. I know it's uncomfortable. So let's have a practice together now, you and me. I'm going to start by saying kia ora, and I want you to respond with kia ora. Are you ready? Kia ora. Easy, right? Good stuff. Now I'm going to ask you, ko wai koe, and I want you to answer that pātai, that question. Once you've finished answering, I want you to ask me the same question and let me answer. Are you ready? Ko wai koe. Ko Anton tōku ingoa. Ka pai. We're almost there. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you no hea koe. You're going to answer, and then you're going to ask me the same question, and I'll answer. And that's us. Are you ready? No hea koe. No te rarawa ahau. I answered with my iwi. So that's it. Now I want you to go and find your reo buddy, teach them everything you know, and practice this role play at least 3 times until you can say it without hesitation. I know you can do it. Kia kaha, you got this, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.